Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check how much time you have spent on Facebook. So let's get started. First open up your Facebook app. Okay, then click on the three dots or menu option right here. Then scroll it down to the bottom and you will see settings and privacy. Then click on the settings option right here. Then scroll it down a little bit and you will see your time on Facebook. Just click on that. And here you have to swipe twice, like one swipe and second one. And here you can see your time on Facebook. If you click on that, you will see the average time of this week times and last week times. And you can also see on the regular uses from here. And if you want a weekly update, you can simply just turn it on. It will notify you on the weekend. So if this video helps you guys, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.